Hello and welcome to a taste of MCST 602, Medical Cannabis Science and Therapeutics, the second course in the Master's Program. My name is Andy Coop. I am Professor and Associate Dean for Academic Affairs, and I am involved and lecture in all the science courses here in the program. This is a taste of MCST 602, the second course you will be taking here in our program. This is a taste, as I said, and these slides are actually taken from the second course in the program. The courses are split into modules, and the very first lecture in the very first module of MCST 602 is what is pharmacology? How do drugs work? For all courses and for all lectures, we give objectives. The objectives are here, and these would be the objectives for the first module in this course in MCST 602. Describe the nature of receptors, compare and contrast to enzymes. Describe how a drug interacts with a target, that is also called affinity, and explain that a drug activates or inactivates a receptor. And again, we go over the terms such as efficacy and potency, the language of science. We do this in a general sense so that it can be applied to cannabis in future modules and courses. We also have the course level objectives addressed, is written here. And for instance, here, the very first thing we discuss is to discuss what is pharmacology. What is pharmacology? It's the action of drugs, but the action of drugs is actually split into two things. We can think about this in terms of, let me get my pen, what we call pharmacodynamics and what we call pharmacokinetics. Now, what exactly is the difference between these? Well, pharmacodynamics, circled in red, is the action of the drug on the body. What does the effects of the drug have, the effects on the body? But we've also got to think about it the other way around, and this is pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is generally the effects of the body on the drug. So pharmacodynamics is the effects of the drug on the body, given the effects, for instance, with cannabis, CBD, etc., what the effects are on the body. Pharmacokinetics is generally the effects of the body on the drug. When you ingest a drug, it obviously gets circulated, gets eliminated, and we get into words and concepts such as metabolism. Metabolism is how your body breaks down a drug. These are the sort of concepts we cover here in MCST 602, and I hope you've enjoyed this little taste of the science that we present here in the Medical Cannabis Science and Therapeutics Master's Program at the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy. Thank you very much.